Hey guys, today we'll learn how to use Windows 10 and Linux in dual booting technique. This is my PC. It is pre-installed with Windows 10 OS. I want to install Linux in this PC with Windows 10 with dual booting technique. At first, we need some files. That is the Kali Linux ISO file. At first we open the Chrome browser and there have type Kali Linux. www.kali.org. It is the official site of Kali Linux. Click that site. Open that site and you can see download option. Click that. There have you can see many options. Bare metal virtual machines, that is for virtual machine. We in use bare metal option. You click first bare metal option. There have many options 64-bit 32-bit. You can choose your recommended. My PC is 64-bit. Anyone have 32-bit, you can select that. My PC is 64-bit. You can see your PC specific from their option. Here have this PC shortcut. Also there is setting option. You can click that and there have system and click about option. There you can see your operating system, what bit, 64-bit or 32-bit. My PC is 64-bit. There have 64-bit have also 3 options, 32-bit also have 3 options. 64-bit weekly installer, net installer. I can choose that net installer. Click that. You can download from torrent or also direct. I choose direct. There a pop-up your download manager and you select start download. I have also downloaded that file, so I cannot download this file and skip the step. You also download the file. My ISO file is saved in here, Kali Linux 2021, the latest version. We want a pen drive. That is my pen drive. I am put it and boot it. We need a software. It called Rufus. There is the Chrome browser. You write there RUFUS Rufus. You click the website and here from you download the software. It is only 1.1 MB. You download it from here. I am also installed the file Rufus. It is an exe file. You select that. In my PC I already put my pen drive. I open the Rufus. You can see that my pen drive is so here. You can also select your pen drive and here you can select this option and therefrom you select where your Kali Linux file is installed. There my Kali Linux file is installed. I click that and select it and here from open option you can click it. After some time you see that they have option Kali Linux and show your ISO file there. You can never click anything of this. You click the start option. OK, and then again OK. After some time the pen drive is ready and it bootable with Kali Linux. Whenever the process is running, we complete another step, that is the partition. Here we will search disk partition, create and format disk partition. You can open that option and there you can see many disks. That is the disk. You also format or also use any partition of that. Note that you would partition is fully free. That is my partition is fully free. I will format it. It is totally fully free. I use it for install Linux. In this partition section you can see that my file local disk. I am selected this file for partition. This is that file. Here you choose sync volume. You can take all or you can take some. I will take 100 GB. 100 GB is 1024 and then 00 is 100 GB. Here in MB we can know that 1 GB is 1024 MB. I'll sync that. There have a file, unallocated volume. In this volume is we install the Kali Linux. We will wait for completing the boot step. After a long time you see that the bootable pen drive is ready. You click that close and shut down your computer. Again start your computer and press delete key and open your bootable menu. You see the internet for your motherboard bootable key. In my BIOS, that is my BIOS, my giga. In BIOS, use select the Sony storage device. Your pen drive is it should be the first bootable priority option. You click here and select your first bootable priority option. and press F10 and continue. Here select the graphical install. Select language English. Location India. Keyboard American English. Press no and continue. Press continue. Do not configure the network at this time and press continue. Hostname I take default. Keep the name of PC. I take Kali. Username and give password. Re-enter the password and press continue. In this section, partition section, you choose manual and continue. Here you can see the space for install Kali Linux. Here I have 107.4 GB. Press continue and create a new partition. Continue. Press first partition I choose 17 GB, 17.4 GB and press continue. First take primary. Beginning. First we give the ext4 journaling file system and mount point give slash. Press continue. Here done setting up with the partition. Press continue and then the 19 GB free space. Press continue and create a new partition. This time you divide in two parts, 45 GB and then the 45 GB. First 45 GB press continue, select the logical beginning and give that the mount point is slash home. Home select there, press continue and done setting up the partition. Press continue and another 45 GB you can select and continue, create a new partition. Here you select swipe partition, swipe area and press continue and then again continue. Done setting up the partition. Press continue. That the partition is complete. Here you select the finishing partition and write change to disk and press continue. You select yes and press continue. The partitioning is starting. Now finally you see that the options that are the desktop environment. I'll select the KDE Plasma environment and press continue. It takes some time. After some time, the process is completed. Here install the grab bootloader. Finally complete all steps. Please continue. The PC is take automatic restart. You can take your USB pen drive. Here select the Kali GNU Linux. Here keep the password and hit enter. Finally, the Kali Linux will be installed. Here you see the all of tools. You switch the ways using these steps. Shut down when again start your computer. Open the bootable menu. We press the Del key. Here in BIOS section, you select the first option of priority is Windows Boot Manager and press F10 and yes. This time you see that the Windows is open. If you have any problem to install the Linux, please comment us. If you like the video, please keep like and comment. If you want to knowledgeable videos, please subscribe our channel. Share these videos with your friends to sharing the knowledge. Thank you.